ever. In the evening's gentle embrace, I see the beauty of your face. As dawn paints the sky with hues so rare, it's your love that fills the air. With each sunrise, my heart's reborn, for in your love, I am adorned. Your smile, a beacon in the morn.
Magsisimba nga raw siya, sasama daw siya kay Louie.
Your touch, like sunlight's warm caress, ignites a fire, endless and blessed. In your arms, I find my solace, a love that only grows, never less. As the sun gracefully ascends, our love a tale that never ends. In your eyes, I find my joy, my forever.
Kaysa Gcash, mababa pag Gcash eh.
So, my sweetest wife, blessed to share each day of life. Together, we'll face the world anew, for in your love, all dreams come true. I thought that loving someone wholeheartedly and feeling the same amount of affection only happens in movies until thank you for all the care and appreciation you have given me.
So, welcome to Facebook. Oh, Prince Hamdan Pasa's Facebook is now not available right now. So, good luck. We check his Instagram account. It's wait a while. Oh, this is Hamdan Pas 11 Instagram account. We love Dubai 11. So this is him. So I know we are 4 person in this link. We love Dubai 2. So I touch this link. Okay. So wait a while. I want to show you. So we check we love Dubai 2 TikTok link. Let's wait a while. So this is we love Dubai 2 TikTok account. Hindi ako nagsasampay, nag-screen video record ako. Oo, para sa mga basher ko na hindi naniniwala. So I want to check this Hamdan Fast 31 TikTok account or Hamdan Fast 3. So this is the number 2 participant of this We Love Dubai 2 link, and then this is the number 3, the last one. I am the one confirm it, the link, the 2 object photo, and then later on he's in of this We Love Dubai 2 TikTok account. So this is him. Take a look. So how many days he didn't post videos? Hamdan Fast 311 or Paza. So how many photos he have, many videos now uploaded? So take a while. You take a while and watch his videos. You can search him in TikTok. You can comment. Did you see so many comment? But me, I never comment because I don't want people write not good to me. So okay, because this account, I want to show you this account, we are together, but I have only few friends. I have few friends on here. So my TikTok account here is low profile, but I have one TikTok account. The first We Love Dubai 2 who attached that account, that link, that TikTok link After Hamdan Fast, the 311 end of this We Love Dubai tour, that account was removed. So that is the true story. So this is me, and I want to to upload videos in here. I want to show you. Just wait a while. So upload. So I want to this one because I am there. And it was also my YouTube stream, YouTube live video. So okay, let's wait a while. It's now uploaded. Nawala na yung mga basher ko, mga impacta eh. Tapos iba na naman ang nagbash sa akin. Iba na naman ang nagbash sa akin, mga channel na naman gumamit nila yung mga false yung fake ba na story ba na yung ano. Tapos sabi ko, sige, titignan ko kung saan kayo talaga pupunta. Pagka once na makipagkita ito sa akin, huwag niyong gagamitin yung picture ko, cyberlaw ko kayo. So now it's going to upload. Wait a while. Okay, wait a while. It's now going to upload. I have work today for another extra money because I need to pay my boarding house and my bills too. Okay, so now it's uploaded. I want to post, and then I want to manage, post to manage. So this is it, uploaded. So those channel who posted fake false information about the friends, get ready, because get ready. All what you have done, I will put you back. I will return it to you. So okay, so I want to check if uploaded. I have done the challenge today, so I just wait if this is true or not. So now it's uploaded. Now it's uploaded. So let's go back to YouTube. So this is Hamdan Fast 311 Plaza. So let's go back to TikTok, YouTube. So you are my princess in his caption. So
Akala ko hindi mo baka.
hindi.
Lalabas si Ate Os.
Ayan o. Kunti pa lang labahan ko.
Appreciation you have given me. I cannot help but wonder what I ever did to deserve you. I am the luckiest man in the world because I have you. Your beauty is like a ray of sunshine that can bring brightness anywhere.
Kung talaga nakita yung damit ko nung nakaraan.
Your beautiful smile never fails to make my heart melt. My dear, thank you for being a fantastic person inside and out. You are the best person in my life now. When I met you, you were my best friend. But the more I saw you smile, the deeper I fell. You showed me that true happiness is having a person by your side who accepts you in all your moods, stays through all your ups and downs, and never lets you go, regardless of the hardships. I love you and will do so for the rest of my life. With you, when I'm weak, I feel stronger than ever before, because you're my everyday strength, courage and inspiration. Without you, I'm only wayfarer, going from place to place without any course. I love you so much, my one and only.
Wala kang tiyaga, hindi na ano yun.
Nangyari yan sa akin nga. Makukuha yan kasi nga may camera.
Love you make me feel so blessed. Thanks for giving me more love than I ever thought I would get. I am so thankful that we are in love. You are the only girl I want to spend the rest of my life with. I believe that meeting and being together are not accidents. Even before we met, I knew that our love story had been written. I thank the Lord from the bottom of my heart for allowing me to meet you. I hope that you feel every day how important you are to me. Love can be defined in many different ways. However, the definition I have for it is different. It will take beyond a lifetime to explain how deep my feelings for you are. I can never imagine what life would be like without you. All I want is you. You are the love of my life. I adore you so much. I just want you to know how special you are to me. You are my beloved treasure. I find your eyes mesmerizing and powerful. I guess you make me feel alive. The joy I feel with you is always with me. Because of the peacefulness, I feel like I am in heaven when you are beside me. I am so stuck on you that I strongly believe that only death can separate us. Not only do you give reasons for me to smile, but you also give meaning and inspiration to my life. You are my present and my future, honey. Dear Han, you know that you are one in a million, right? That is why I will never let you go. You have my heart, so no one can take your place. I am satisfied and complete because you are with me. Thank you for being with me through good and bad times. When I am old, I will look back to when we fought over petty things. I look back on the day that I told you was serendipity. Meeting you has made me believe in fate. We were meant to be. Now and forever we belong to each other. After loving you, I could never want anyone else. I hope we will happily travel through our lives together until we are that perfect middle-aged couple people, good-naturedly making jokes at each other's expense, only to laugh, then go upstairs and make love. I love you so much that these words cannot begin to express the emotion. There are no words that can really express how I feel about you and how truly and deeply I love you. Your sweet smile is my inspiration for starting every day with new hopes. Your sweet voice is the reason why my life is so peaceful. Thanks for coming into my life and making it more wonderful than ever. I owe you everything. I can create one other odyssey describing my love for you. You have got such a profound effect. I'm lucky to be a part of your life. I'll love you until my last breath. I appreciate your warmth and understanding, her captivating smile that brightens up even the gloomiest days, and her incredible ability to make me feel like the luckiest person. You are the anchor in my life, the one I turn to for strength and comfort, and the one who makes me strive to be a better person. Your love has laid a beautiful song in my heart, which I hum in my heart with joy and happiness each and every day. You came into my life and made me whole, and without you I'm incomplete. You're indeed a blessing in disguise, and my ultimate desire is to always cherish, respect, protect and love till the end of time. I love you beyond the stars. For watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Like and share my videos. Hamdan Fasity Bye. This is my YouTube channel, Heart. Love you all.
Screen record video, and then after that I will post this in my YouTube channel. So okay, so let's talk again. I am now in my bed. I am in my small bed, and my friend here in my apartment, boarding house, they're very noisy. So this is my first time I come live in my YouTube. So now you can see me. So okay. So about me and the friends. So many messages I receive. It's really hard. So sometimes I am feel angry also. I am only a human. Okay. So it's a life. Some people doesn't respect. Why? Did you see in YouTube channel so much false, so much fake profiles? But I don't know why they cannot. I don't know. I cannot see anything just now. I just wait for him until April, end of April, because he asked me last one thing. So I agree. So I just wait until April, end of April. So, okay. So I am now in. So this is live, and I record this one, and then later I will post this in YouTube channel. So okay, they're very noisy. They're making a barbecue, drinking wine, but me I don't like. I eat noodles for my dinner. They are talking about the new law of Macau. Once you come here in Macau, you need to, if you're a tourist, you need to stay in the hotel. Cannot stay in the boarding house because the police will catch you. It's really terrible now. Oh my God! After the COVID and after the COVID and now the new law is come.
Uy, naabot ako ng alas 4. Kaya pa yan, baka kasi malaki yun eh, di ba?
I'm happy now because I come out in live video in YouTube. So maybe I'm always here. I want to see those commenter who really writes me not good. So here I am. I come live now in YouTube channel. So okay. So what can you say about me? Yes, to be honest, I have my hair is white. I need to color my hair, of course, to make younger. But did you see also my face? Okay. So,
Masarap yung karunusi.
Pagka ano lang, oo.
they're talking about
May
wine.
wine nga sa trabaho, red wine sa white wine. Hindi lang pala, yun lang pang ano nga lang ng dugo. Pang circulation.
Tayo yan sa mamahalin.
Pang circulate ng dugo kasi tayo minsan matatanda na eh.
Pag purdoy lang tayo.
Pagka ganitong edad na kailangan natin ng ano. Ang tawag doon.
So, I need to rest now. I need to. Oh, 6 person are watching. Now it's 3.
Marsana, ayaw magkano.
Where is the others?
Marsana, tanggalin mo. Naglagana? Ay, naglaba ka ba? Oo, te. Ay, uwa, tingnan mo na.
So now nobody can see me in live video. But I have seen in the upper, I have 3. So how to end this live? I don't know how to end this live. It's so funny later how to end this live video. In the app, did you see? I am now live almost 23 minutes. 23 minutes na I live. I got. So now I am not fake, okay? I am Rose. So pasa Rose.
Halo, bakit? Ayan, mom. Hindi pa ba?
So this is live video in YouTube. I don't know if you see me because this is the first time. I didn't know how. So I also don't know how to stop this one. But in the upper, I have seen live video. So I don't know how to off this one, and then I try. So about me and Fasa, I will tell you. I can wait for him. April. She said before, if I do the things, he asked me. He will come before end of my visa. I don't know. I don't know if true. I don't know. Let's wait. So I am live. I am live. Did you see me? I am live. I am in my bed. Small bed. So okay, I remove my second eye so that you can see my eyes. So you can see my eyes. So this is live video and I record those. Later I can post this in my YouTube channel. So I am not fake. So I challenge to all those who have using the Prince Hamdan Pasa's photo. So you can do your live too. To show us like Lily Queen. You know Lily Queen? Now she changed her name Pasa, Lily and Pasa. That Lily and Pasa, she is the one who shared my YouTube channel. So Lily, thank you so much, Lily. Lily Pasa, thank you so much. I always watching you in your YouTube channel. I'm thankful for your support. For the first time you shared my video. So thank you so much. Thank you very much, Lily Queen. Lily Queen, now she is her name is Lily and Pasa. So Lily and Pasa, thank you so much. So always take care of yourself. Thank you so much, Lily Pasa, for your help and support, for your sharing my first video. I know not first video, but I remember you share it. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. So I need to wear my eyeglass again so that I can see you. I don't know how to turn on this messages. Live chat. I don't know how to off this one. So it's okay. So, good night.
Tumawag para bilis.
I don't know how to off this one. How to off this light.
Sabi mo kasi tumawag.
My goodness.
Sira ulo.
I don't know how to off this one.
Sa akin, di ba?
Akin yan, tinanggalan ko ng nuts.
Start to fall.
Ayaw ko nga eh.
Itapon ko na kami.
I don't know how to off
Wala,
this
akin na yung
one.
nuts. Huwag mo itapon, akin na yung nuts.
Kakainin ko ako. Pwede pa tong ano, tong plastic.
Oh my
Oo nga.
God.
Akin na. Kainin ko yung nuts. Paborito ko yung nuts.
I don't know how to off.
Yung mga pwede pang itapon dyan.
Kaya nga, kasi magagalit yun. Tapon na lang.
Start to fall.
Dalawa dyan natin. Nalipat akong
Wala.
How to
Lamig, lamig.
wala akong kailangan.
how to end this one? Highlight save to your channel as listed.
Sarap na itong nuts. Nuts lang kinukuha ko dito. Kaya supot niya, Wayne.
Yes, I want to stop streaming.
Ako, yari kayo.
Oh, I know now where I off. Okay, have a nice night and God bless. Wait, I know now where. So okay, guys, you have already seen me, and I have a screen video record, and later I will post this in my YouTube channel. So thank you so much again, Lily Pasa Lily or Lily Queen before. Thank you so much for your support. I love you. Love you. Always take care. Bye bye. I will end now.